SBI Mutual Fund has launched Dividend Yield Fund today, February 20th, 2023. This fund mainly focusing on invest in dividend yielding stock that aims to provide capital appreciation and regular income. Dividend yield funds have provided 9% to 14% annualized return in the last 5 years. What is dividend yield and how it is calculated? Dividend yield basically calculated annual dividend paid per share divided by price per share. That result to dividend yield. Dividend yield shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price. Most of the companies pays dividend multiple times in a year. Few companies are paying only one dividend per year. Dividend may consider interim dividend, final dividend. Interim dividend they consider if the company they performed well in a quarter and they gained more profit. So whatever they gained more profit, they will pay out to the shareholders. That is called interim dividend, which means that company paid dividend in any quarter in a financial year. That is called interim dividend. Few of the company that pays only one dividend, that is final dividend, when they are closing their account in a year. Let's look at some example. If company A pays interim dividend per share is 5 rupees and then final dividend pay 25 rupees per share. So total dividend per year is 30 rupees and the current market price of that share is 600. So final dividend and interim dividend, that is 30 rupees. 30 rupees divided by 600 rupees, that is 5%. So the dividend yielding percentage is 5. That is how that dividend yield percentage is calculating. The main motto for this fund is to provide capital appreciation by providing regular income. This is an open-end mutual fund. The allocation ratio of this fund is they invest in equity and equity related instrument, that is minimum 65% and maximum is 100%. Other equity and equity related instrument, there is no minimum percentage and maximum is 35%. Debt security and securitized debt and debt derivatives and money marketing instrument, there is no minimum percentage and maximum is 35%. Unit issued by REITs and INVITs, there is no minimum percentage and maximum percentage limit is 10%. REIT and INVT, those are all called Investment Infrastructure Limited. REIT is basically for real estate investment infrastructure and INVT is for investment infrastructure that may be a power and other infrastructure. Some of them famous infrastructure is PG Invit, that is Power Grid Infrastructure Investment Limited, and Embassy Office Park. This scheme basically pays higher dividend yield. This scheme will provide better yield on investment as they invest majority in blue chip funds that provide higher dividend yield. The level of risk this kind of fund is very low as they invest majorly a large cap stock that has proven tracking record of paying dividend. This kind of fund provided 9% to 14% annualized return in the last 5 years and 12% to 15% annualized return in last 10 years. Some of the stock they provide higher dividend, but the price appreciation of this stock could be at lower rate compared to other stock. Some example like Power Finance Corporation, Power Grid and Coal India. These are all giving higher dividend, but there is no price appreciation of this stock, which means the price of this stock is not growing in a long period. New fund offer open period is today, that is February 20th, 2023, and Fund offer ends on 6th March 2023. Application date is 14th March 2023. Offer price is 10 rupees. Minimum investment in SIP is 500 rupees and one-time investment is 5000 rupees. One-time investment second time onwards is 1000 rupees. There is no entry load and exit load is applicable. Exit load is more than 10% of the investment. You will be charged exit load. 1% will be charged for redeem within 1 year. Stamp duty is applicable, that is very minimum charges, and tax is applicable on your returns. Short time capital gain and long time capital gain, both the tax is applicable. If you exit or redeem within 1 year, returns are taxed at 15%. After 1 year, your return will be taxed at 10% if your returns more than 1 lakhs in a financial year. Many funders has launched this kind of fund. Let's look at ICICI Prudential Dividend Yield Fund. We are looking at direct growth fund. So in a 1 month period, it gave 0.79%. In 6 month period, it provided 5.55%. 1 year period, 11.24% of return. 3 years, it gave 25.91% of annualized return. In 5 year, it gave 11.63%. If you look at that entire percentage, that is starting launch period to till date, it provided 14.18% annualized return. Let's look at some of the top companies which are holding this kind of fund. Infosys Limited, ICICI Bank, Sun Pharma, NTPC, ONGC, L&T, HCL, HDFC, Access, Bharati Airtel. This video is only for knowledge and information purpose. If you like to invest this mutual fund, you can do your research and analyze from your side, and you can start investing this mutual fund if you like to invest this mutual fund. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support. Keep on watching RN Millionaire YouTube channel to get useful video like this.